Little Storyteller.
Once upon a time, in a sunny park filled with giggling children, lived a bright red slide named Silas. Silas wasn't like other slides. He only let you slide down if you were very, very kind to him. A little girl with bright blue eyes and a yellow dress, Lily, came to Silas. She gently patted his smooth red surface. "Hello, Silas," she said sweetly. "Would you like to play?" Silas wiggled a little, which meant yes. Lily climbed up the ladder carefully. Before she slid down, she whispered a secret to Silas. Her secret was, "I think you are the best slide in the whole park." Then Lily started to sing a little song she made up. Red slide, happy and bright, sliding down with all my might." As she sang, she whooshed down Silas, giggling all the way. Next, a boy with a friendly smile and a green shirt, Tom, wanted to play. He remembered what Lily did. He patted Silas gently and said, "Hello, Silas, you look very shiny today." Tom's secret for Silas was, "I promise to always be careful when I climb your ladder." Then he sang his special song, "Slide so tall, ready to play, sliding down happily all day." Silas felt happy and let Tom slide down smoothly. Lily and Tom learned that being kind to Silas made playing even more fun. They realized that just like Silas, everyone feels happy when you are kind to them. Being gentle and saying nice things makes the world a happier place for everyone.
Please subscribe. Thank you.